Right, so we've got this downlight, whether you've got 20 or 5 or whatever, so we need to drop them all before we start to sand it down and paint it. So all we need to do is just get your fingernails just behind it, or you can use a sharp scraper or something like that, and just get it out. You can see these are really good and they've been cut really well, so this should come out pretty easy. So I'm just going to gently now squeeze it out, and you've got to be careful because it's got these springs either side, and what you don't want to do is you don't want to hold it like that and pull it out, because it's like a mouse trap and it'll blooming hurt. So once you see these springs, you want to hold them down and pull it out. You see, these springs are like a mouse trap, so if you let them go, it's going to hurt. I've done it many times. So just pull them out. You can see you've got this little wire now, this cable, a bit of a transformer. So you don't need that, you can put that back up there like that. Leave it like that. So now we can sand round it nicely, and we can also paint. So when we roll, we can roll up to the hole that way, move the wire a bit and roll that way. So we're getting a continuous roll rather than cutting in round every single downlight, which you will see. So you know when you're brushing, it's going to be a different thickness, and it's also going to be a different texture as well to the roller. So your brush and your roller are different, so you're going to see that transition. So if possible, it's not always possible, drop your downlights. Okay, so now I'm going to put them back up. So let's say we've painted the ceiling now, it's all dry. What we need to do, we need to get them springs back upright like that, squeeze them together, push the cable up, push that into the side of the hole, and then just gently as it goes, put it back. Thanks for watching this video. If this has been helpful, give us a thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Thank you.